Drivers behind the line. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're up and moving in the autonomous period. Let's see what these robots have to do under their pre-programmed conditions. I see one gear in place on the Blue Alliance airship, and that's one rotor spinning in the autonomous period with 3 seconds remaining. 1 and 0. These drivers are now taking control. Let's see what they can do. We got the Blue Alliance 65, Red Alliance 55. They're very close neck and neck as this match gets underway. Red Alliance, they've got one gear delivered. That's one up into the red airship. We've got one rotor spinning in each team working on a second one. Looks like Red Alliance has 2 more gears delivered. They're spinning that gear train. Both alliances are spinning. That's one rotor spinning on each additional airship. They're neck and neck. But here comes Cheesy Poofs throwing fuel into that high-efficiency boiler. That boiler processes fuel gradually, so you'll gradually see that pressure score increase. It's already at 9, and it's moving up. That's 9 kph and 9 points for loading that high-efficiency boiler. These teams still working on their gear trains. That's 2 more gears delivered into that Blue Alliance airship, and a couple more into the red. They need to get 5 more in order to complete an additional gear. Cheesy Poofs throwing up some more fuel into a high-efficiency boiler. Every 3 of those fuel cells earns 1 additional pressure kph point, and they're up to 20. And it's still climbing as these boilers process that fuel over the course of the match, and we have just over 1 minute remaining. We've got still 2 propellers moving on each of these airships as they're working on finishing up those gear chains. Looks like the Blue Alliance needs 1 more gear, and here it comes as 254 throws some more fuel into that high-efficiency boiler, cranking that pressure higher and higher. You can see those lights moving towards the boiler in the center, loading up that Blue Alliance airship with 40 seconds remaining. Red Alliance also working towards completing that final gear train. We've got Blue Alliance has completed their 3rd gear train for that 3rd propeller spinning for an additional 40 points as 254 unloads 1 more pit stop into that high-efficiency boiler. They're moving that pressure higher and higher. If they earn 40 kph, it's worth an additional ranking point. We have final 20 seconds remaining now. They're at 39 kph. That's not quite enough pressure to earn the additional ranking point, but they're trying to go for 40. It's 11 seconds remaining. We got Red Alliance robots trying to climb aboard the airship. That's 40 kph scored in the boiler on the Blue Alliance, earning an additional ranking point at the end of the match. That's 2 robots are ready for takeoff on the Blue Alliance, and Red robots are almost there, but not quite high enough at the end of the airships flying towards the finish line, with Blue Alliance crossing first with a final score of 287. You'll see that additional ranking point.